Welcome back to another great week of multimedia. Just a reminder that this assignment, the cartoon, is due on Friday. Many of you will be at different stages. I'll be coming around to check today. So Friday, again, is the deadline. Now let's look at the pen tool. I want to go over the pen tool and a couple of ways to use it. The first is, let's start drawing a straight line. Now I'm going to click using my shortcut V. I'm going to deselect. I have a line. But now maybe I would like to add to that line. So I'm going to click on my pen tool, and I need to click back on one of the anchor points that I've created to continue my line. So I'm going to click on my anchor. And if you notice, there's a little slash next to the pen icon that lets me know that I'm ready to add. And I'm going to continue holding down my shift key. Let's try that again by going to V to deselect. Let's go back to P to select our pen tool. And we're going to go back to that anchor point that we just left off and click on it. I'm going to hold down my shift key. I'm going to go back to V. It's a shortcut to my select tool to deselect. And I'm going to go back to my pen tool. And I'm going to go back to my anchor point. And now I'm going to complete. Now, before I complete it, I want to make sure that it says anchor, and I have a little zero or circle next to my pen icon, letting me know I completed the shape. Now I have a completed shape. Now let's draw a simple shape. We'll start at the top. We'll drag down and curve. We'll switch over and we'll drag down and curve. We want to be careful that our anchor points do not cross each other. Come down at the bottom and curve. Come up at the top. And curve up. Here my anchor points have crossed. So I'm going to hold down my Alt key. I'm going to pull in my anchor point. We'll drag up. And voila, we have a nice shape. Now let's see if everything worked out the way we wanted to. So let's pick a cool color for the fill for our square. And for our shape that we drew, let's pick a warm color. If your colors came in looking like this, then you completed your object correctly.